4 decades after Viking and 2 decades after Curiosity, a new wave of missions is already moving toward Mars. Some are already in flight, some are delayed, some are still on the pad. This is what's really coming next for the Red Planet, and almost all of them are already on someone's trajectory map. The first new mission is already on the way. escapaDE, twin NASA orbiters launched with Rocket Lab. They'll take the long road out, riding a careful trajectory from Earth's orbit toward the Martian system. Their job is simple and brutal. Measure how Mars is losing its atmosphere into space in real time. These small probes could help answer the biggest question: what really killed Mars's air and water? Was it a collapsed magnetic field? A giant ancient impact, or just a slow leak into deep space over billions of years? The most ambitious mission and the most delayed is Mars sample return. Right now, Perseverance is filling titanium tubes with Martian rock and soil, and leaving some of them cached on the surface. After a major redesign in 2024 and 2025, the mission became cheaper, simpler, and still incredibly hard. If everything holds, a small ascent vehicle will blast off from Mars later this decade, carrying just a few kilograms of priceless samples into orbit, and then home. The next wave isn't just about the surface. Japan is targeting the tiny Martian moon Phobos. JAXA's MMX will grab samples from Phobos, trying to decide whether it's a captured asteroid or debris from a giant impact on Mars. If they succeed, those grains of dust could tell us how violent Mars's early history really was. India is planning mangalyaan 2, upgraded instruments, sharper mapping, and a chance to join the multinational push toward the Red Planet. After landing the Zhurong rover in 2021, China is already planning what comes next. Tianwen-class missions are evolving into something bigger, a full Martian sample return of their own. Their goal is simple and incredibly bold: be the first to deliver a complete set of Mars samples back to Earth. For the first time, Mars exploration isn't led by just one nation. It's becoming a global race and a global experiment. And in the background of all of this, and the biggest wildcard, Starship. If it works at scale, heavy cargo ships could reach Mars before 2030, carrying habitats, life support systems, and the first tools for long stays. This decade could redefine everything we know about Mars: its lost rivers, its atmosphere, and whether it ever hosted life. The next missions are already moving. The next answers are coming. And what we find there will shape the next century of exploration. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like and subscribe. It really helps us explore the next frontier together.